Well, that was a pretty cool couple of days with the digital sign trade show. Agreed, everybody?
Mhm.
Yeah, we have some more video that's going to be uploaded here. I'm going to decide I'm going to stay for one more night and walk around Las Vegas to be able to get a bunch more digital sign footage for you to be able to load it up to ENS Corporate and digitalsign.com. Sound good?
Mhm.
Okay. But this is a kind of a side project here. What you're looking at is a sailboat that was, for lack of a better phrase, was left in Mexico. Okay.
Mhm.
So I've always wanted to fix up a sailboat, and that's what it looks like now. I can tell you, it did not look like that a year ago, right, Shane?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the inside is about 95% done now. The outside, I got to do a little bit more work, but it's totally sailable. In fact, already sailed it down part of the coastline of Mexico. And so let's take a look at what this vessel looks like when it's full sails out. So you want to start the YouTube video, Harvey? So this is what's called a Maple Leaf 48. And this is actually another boat. It's identical. It's the same boat. This is exactly what it looks like when that
Mhm.
sailboat is underway. So you're looking at a sailboat that can do about 7 knots, which is pretty impressive. And it's really classified as what's called a blue ocean vessel, meaning it's how the hull is designed is it's definitely something you can take around the world. So you see the amount of sail room that there is on that boat, the amount of weight space on the hull and on the deck.
Mhm.
Imagine a logo. Imagine a larger than life logo on those sails. And we've already seen this in action, right? Because we've been watching AndrewSpick.com, and now he's done that. He's traveled around the world just based on sponsorship. Cool, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what we're going to be working on as a project here. And I know this sounds absolutely crazy, but do you remember how we saw some of those transparent LED film um, installs? You saw that in the last 2 days?
Mhm.
Okay. Remember how they there's a certain version of those transparent LEDs that I showed off in the trade show booth that are just like plastic film. Well, guess what I want to do with that sale area?
Yeah.
The sponsorship, some of it's going to be print, but some of it's going to be digital.
Yeah.
Imagine what happens when I roll into a marina,
Mhm.
right, and go sailing down the side of town, and it says sponsored by. Do you see what I'm planning on doing?
Yeah.
How super cool would that be?
Yeah.
So that's really the end part of the trade show for this year, going to the digital sign trade show, is I do have a master plan here. I'm going to get back down to the boat, finish fixing it up, and when it's all done, my plan is to install some of that technology right into the sail. Any questions?
No.
Okay. If you want to please post this to all of those sites now. Put it to ENS Corporate so people know what we're up to on a business plus a personal basis. Put it to the digitalsign.com because this is going to be a very cool digital sign installation done. And to smartsailboat.com because now that the boat is to the point of completion to be able to show it to the public, now we're going to start talking about what you could do with having a smart sailboat. The idea of taking an older vessel that has zero technology in it and blinging it out with everything we can find that's new age tech for a smart sailboat to be able to travel around the world. Any questions? Thanks.